Hello everyone, my name is Husna Shafira from Diploma for Digital Office Administration 2020. In this video, I would like to share my proposal seminar with the title Analysis of Employee Placement in the Finance Division at PTX. The next slide is Chapter 1, Introduction. The background is, according to Dadan Fadili 2018, one of the things the companies can take advantage of as an opportunity is human resource, which are the most important assets in achieving company goals. The division and classification of work for its employee will be a benchmark for the smooth running of the company. One of the determining factors in improving company performance is that companies must pay attention to employee placement issues. In order for a company to be productive, it must have quality human resource. Of course, this must be done with the right selection and placement of employees. The next slide is research. From the results of research, most employees feel the job description given is appropriate, but they have problems with the job description given outside the job description given at the beginning, both in terms of employees who have worked for a long time for a new employee such as intern. And then research question. The first is, what is the employee placement procedure at PTX? The second is, how are employees divided into positions at PTX? And the third is, what are the obstacles in placing employees? What are the solutions to deal with these problems? And then the research purpose is, the first is knowing the influence of employee placement procedures at PTX. The second is knowing the distribution of employees regarding position placement at PTX. And the third is knowing the obstacles and solutions in placing employees to face these problems. And the next slide is benefits of research. The first is for companies. It is hoped that it will serve as a reference to the company regarding matters relating to the placement of employee positions at PTX. The second is for the university. It is hoped that it can provide input to students who wish to the further writing as well as become reference material that can increase knowledge, especially regarding employee placement. And the third is for writers. It is hoped that the author can now understand in more detail the problems regarding employee placement, as well as the obstacles in placing employees so that employees can be placed in the right positions. And then the next slide is Chapter 2, Review of the Literature. The concept is research. The first is Human Resource Management. Human resource management is the processing of training, employing, evaluating, and paying attention to workforce management issues and their fairness. According to Hazam 2019, administrative activities such as recruitment, reward system, promotion, and so on are the most important tasks of human resource management because human resource management must create human resources that are proven to be of high quality to achieve organizational goals. And the second is employee placement. According to Sawarni 2017, placement of employee position must be done on the basis of appropriate job specification and descriptions because this can have a positive impact on the company because there is a positive relationship between placement and an employee's productivity. Siagian 1998 believed that placement is not only aimed at prospective employees, but also at existing employees in new positions and positions. This theory is strengthened by the opinion of Siswanto 2005. From this understanding, it can be said the placement can also take the form of promotions, transfers, and demotions. And then the previous research, the first is Rahman Mangkuluhur, Delta Hakim, and Arianto 2022, Analysis of Employee Placement at Didaktika Middle School. The second is Purba 2020, Determination of Job Satisfaction and Employee Performance, Analysis of Employee Transfers and Employee Placement, Literature Review Human Resource Management, and the third is Sandarti and Dekanawati 2020, Analysis of Recruitment, Selection, and Placement of Crew on Sea Crew Performance at PT MCS International, Jakarta. The next slide is research methods. The research place is one of the private companies located at Jalan Bendungan. The research time is for 6 months at January 2024 until July 2024. Type of research using qualitative research. A nature of research, the research is descriptive analysis. And data collection technique, the first is literature study, observation, and interview. For data validity technique, to test the validity of the data in the research, the author used technical triangulation and data triangulation. For the research source and samples, the data in the research were obtained for employees who work where the author conducted the research. And then for the data analysis technique, the research used qualitative data analysis with steps, namely collection, reduction, and conclusions. So it is all my proposal seminar with the title Analysis of Employee Placement in the Finance Division at PTX. Sorry if there are any more words. Thank you.